Our frame was screwed together using a series of butt joints. We didn't add braces or glue to the joints, as they were strengthened by the hardboard flat that was positioned on the surface of the flat. We could have used a lap joint or a tenon and mortise joint. However, in order for these joints to be most effective, the measurements for cutting need to be extremely accurate and precise, and due to time restraints, this just wasn't realistic. Also, the sets are being manoeuvred so frequently, it wouldn't be worth taking the risk of trying one of the more accurate joints and having it fall apart. And with the face being attached to the frame, the joints are not in audience view, so need not be aesthetically pleasing. The 2x4 battens were cut using a miter saw. This was the most practical tool to use, as this saw is the most accurate and cuts through the wood quicker. We didn't cut the wood by hand, as this would have taken too long and the cuttings would be less accurate. We didn't use a jigsaw for the same reason. We wouldn't have had as much control of the blade as we would with the miter saw, and as the wood is quite thick, it may have been dangerous to use a blade as thin as the one on the jigsaw. The flat was screwed together using a drill, for accuracy due to the power behind it, and it would have taken too long using a hand screwdriver. As we hung pictures from the flat, we needed to have a nail in the hardboard. We could have used a nail gun, however, as the nail wasn't going through a wall, only 3mm hardboard sheet, we used a claw hammer to knock the nail in halfway.